So, for those who don't know, these are wild ramps. Wild ramps are basically like a wild garlic. Real easy way to tell, or have an idea whether or not they might be wild ramps, I should say. You rip off a little piece of the leaf and smell it. It smells like garlic. It's probably wild ramps. Very spicy. So most people like to harvest a tuber of these. I guess I'll just dig one up to show you. If I can get at it, my finger. Yeah. So that's the basically little wild garlic. And you can do that, but if you're going to do that and you want to do it sustainably so you can harvest wild ramps in the future, and again next year, you only take some. You know, take 5 or 10%. Leave the rest. Go to another spot. Do it again. Keep it going. The other option you could do, of course, which is easier and even less damaging to the sustainability, is clip the leaves. The leaves are excellent. They have a nice mild garlic flavor. They really add a nice complement to just about any dish, and you know, they'll grow back pretty rapidly. So, I don't know, just something to consider if you're into wild foraging or looking to learn more about it. I recommend you go check out Arthur Haynes, who's a plant taxonomist. He's written several books on plants that are really excellent. I'll try to remember to share links below to some of to his channel and some of his books. And also, Arthur Haynes has been interviewed on a podcast called, it's by Daniel Vitalis, and that's an excellent podcast. He's been interviewed on there several times, and Daniel Vitalis has many, many excellent guests on there regarding wild foraging and you know, building health and nutrition in natural and sustainable ways. So I recommend you check those out as well if you're not familiar with them. Alright, I think I've babbled on enough for now. Thanks for watching the Pharmacy Seeds Network.